I got some deliveries, and this time it is from Niña's Lamaw and Siomai Food Corner. Niña's Lamaw and Siomai will definitely satisfy your late night street food cravings. Remember ka sa Lamaw nga imong gusto kanon after ka mag-inom sa Tungang Gabii? Well, pwede na siyang i-deliver sa atong mga panimalay. But well, of course, you have to order it earlier. You can have these different sets for only 65 pesos. It's either duha ka siomai or sa lumpia, or usa ka siomai duha ka lumpia, or pwede sa gyud siomai tanan, or pwede sa gyud lumpia tanan. And if ever makuwangan ka, you can have an additional siomai for 8 pesos, lumpia for 8 pesos, chicharon also for 8 pesos, egg 8 pesos, rice at 10 pesos, and chili sauce for 8 pesos only. This is it guys, gimingaw na jud ko sa rice with the chicharon and the siomai nga daghang chili sauce. Wait, butanga sa din natong itlog. I-mix gyud nato nagtarong. Ayan, perfect lamaw rice na gyud ni siya. Mga unta guys. And of course, let me try the lumpia, kanang street food nga lumpia. In fairness, daghan ang unod. Akala ko unang kagat wrapper lahat, but no, it's not. To order this, you may just message the official social media accounts of Niña's Lamaw and Siomai here in Facebook and in Instagram. Kanagaling mo rag mahurot maginin ako ang 4 sets bang ako rag yung usa. So manang when you order guys, make it sure mo order gyud mo extra rice kay magkuwang ragid siya. Bitaw. But then again, don't forget to brush your teeth after eating and to follow me in all my social media accounts, and please continue to stay healthy, stay safe, and just keep smiling. Bye-bye!